So Meta Viewpoints app. So this is how it looks like. And like this is the app from Facebook, from Meta. So basically here, oopsie. So here's you have this app, Viewpoints, Meta Viewpoints, and this is the app from Meta, official app, not some scammy app, where you can earn some coupons, some rewards for sharing, so answering surveys, doing some simple tasks, and helping Facebook with building apps. So yeah, it's only available in US though, and seems you need to have US based Facebook account, or you just need to be based in US and create an account with Apple. And then these are available programs. Then you have rewards. So you have these points. For every 1,000 points you earn, you can redeem an reward for $5. So you can just get those, and you just earn points by completing programs and tasks. And that's just what you have. And then you can see more rewards. So 1,000 points, $5, 2,000 points, $10, 3,015, and so on and so on. Also, there are some referral codes how you can invite people to this app, but I don't know. I don't have the details. So that's just the idea. But yeah, for example, some simple program where you basically have task. Like you need to turn on screen time in your device settings and share screenshots, like 10 screenshots in this app. Like, so Meta can know what you're spending your time on your phone. So just take screenshots of your daily screen time and your most used apps and websites for the 5 past days. For each task, you'll be asked to upload these screenshots, which will represent your daily screen activity data. You need to have a device that is iOS 15.1 or above. So for example, this is kind of how the task looks like. Just please follow these steps to take 10 screenshots for the 5 past days. Settings, screen time, see all app activity, and then take screenshot. You can see how you can take screenshot and scroll down and do that and upload and submit these screenshots. So that's the idea, and then you can get 250 points of this. So super easy way to basically get these points and then redeem them. So super fast. Of course, you are risking sharing your data with Meta, but that's just what it is.